Hey guys, what's going on? Today we're talking just a little video, as you can see right here in front of you. Uh, Hopefully this is not a clickbait for you, but it's not clickbait. I want to really tell you some things why Russell Brunson respects Builderall. And if anybody knows who Russell Brunson is the founder of Clickfunnels. He is the founder of Clickfunnels. So we know who this guy is. But I wanted to talk about why Russell Brunson respects Builderall. Russell Brunson, again, is the founder of this wonderful, wonderful service, wonderful software called Clickfunnels. I have nothing bad to say about it. I really don't. So it's not about me bashing, Russell Brunson or anything, or Clickfunnels by that service. But what I've learned from Russell and ClickFunnels is the art of funnel hacking, or pretty much imitating. Pretty much do not try to, he always says it, do not try to reinvent the wheel. There is one that is already working. All you have to do is just put your touch on it and do it. I follow his videos all of the time. I watch all of his shows, everything. Matter of fact, I even got a book of Russell Brunson. Again, I love his work, and I love where he talks about not even trying to not trying to reinvent the wheel, but you just imitate what has already been working. And one of the things that one he says was, and my dad used to say it as well, uh, you know, teaching used to teach our kids to play nice. And my dad, even though taught me to play fair, whatever the case may be, but my dad was always instilled in me to win. That's been my thing about me, how I was raised up, was to win. And you try to do anything you can, of course, within the rules, ethical, to win. And on this page, I will show you some funny funnel hacking techniques that I've learned from Russell, and how can you spy on competitors uh, in whatever market that you're in, whether it's e-commerce, whether it's affiliate marketing, whatever business that you're in. I've learned a lot from him to teach, uh, to, and to reteach, I guess, what I learned from him about funnel hacking in a short video or two. As you can see, this is wonderful software, and this software has everything. The only thing that I kind of dislike about it, that you know, which is not a bad thing, because if you can pay for it, you can pay for it. But one thing I kind of dislike about it is the price range. I believe for basic service it is $97 a month, and pretty much you'll upsell from there with I think it's called backpack service. I forgot, I ain't had the system in a while. I don't want to mess up any of the terminology, but I think it's like a backpack service or whatever the case may be, and it's up to like $200 a month. And again, there's nothing wrong with the prices. That's not my thing, but I know everyone cannot buy that, and that's not a bad thing. That's why, again, I started off saying Russell Brunson would respect Builderall, because Builderall did exactly what Russell Brunson teaches, and that is learn how to, here we go, funnel hack. How to do exactly what the competitor is doing and charge less. Ethically. It's nowhere. It's called Builderall. We build everything. Uh, ClickFunnels is totally different names. We have everything that ClickFunnels have. The only difference is ClickFunnels is $97 plus upsells of up to $300. In return, ClickFunnels also have, get a certain amount of affiliates sold, you get a car, or they help you build a down payment on the car. Builderall also has that same thing. But the only difference is Builderall has a Not at $97 a month, but it has $29.90 a month. So you're going from $100 a month down to pretty much, if you round it up, to $30 per month. Wow. Wow, you're saving $60 and you're getting everything that ClickFunnels have. And I do mean everything. If you want to question, if you don't know what Builderall has, we'll go over those, of course, in the next couple of days that I will be presenting everything Builderall, showing you the ins and outs, showing you how it works, showing you all the apps. But again, this thing has everything that you will need and more. One of my favorite things about it is that it doesn't matter what you're in, whether it's e-commerce, you don't need a Shopify store, whether it's blogging, you don't need WordPress. And the same thing with ClickFunnels, you don't need WordPress, you don't need Shopify, you don't need any of those things. You don't need to go to leadpages to find your capture pages and funnels. Everything is built here. As you can see, look at the sales funnels. It has all sales funnels pre-made, and they make them all. They make new ones every week that are pretty much funnel hacking other people that are successful in this particular niche or in this particular thing. As you can see, look at this. Look at the Amazon coupon sale. As we all know about Amazon, this is a great way, like, for me, e-commerce sites, I know a lot of people have to make different stores, different niche stores. Me personally, I could just see something that is selling real good, and I say, you know what, I want to do that. And instead of me going in and building a whole brand new store, I am able to go here and just build this page in about 10-20 minutes. Make sure I have my ad copy set up right. What my customer said, it takes about 15-20 minutes, and then all of that, and then all I have to do is click this, bam, they're going straight to Amazon to buy it. Or I could just change this, don't have it look like Amazon, make it look like one of my sites or one of my funnels with a capture page in front of it, and come to this page, and then bam, here you go, you have another one. And right after this, if you click this button here, it'll go straight to a I think this is a okay, it'll go to a pop-up. You can either do it that way, or you can have them click here, of course, and then once they click the give me the Amazon deal, you can go to a checkout page. So yes, you have a checkout page here as well. Just like I know ClickFunnels have a checkout page, this has a checkout page as well. Business to business, you can also have local businesses that you can help, and there are funnels already made, whether it's a fitness funnel, a skin. I think I did one. I think I did the dentist funnel for a dentist down the street here from me, and I just wanted to test it out, and they liked it. And simple as that, guys. It's that simple. That's one of the dentist funnels that I use. You can just use that. Bam, now you got you a funnel that is helping dentists, make income. It's that simple. It is that simple. So we have funnels and pages for any and everything. Whether it's an online store here, it doesn't really matter. You can make your own little Shopify store there. I wouldn't, because I'm too lazy to do that. What I do is I see something that I like, see something that's selling, I just put that in one specific funnel. And with ClickFunnels, you can do this as well. But with Builderall, you can just go to it and copy that website, so you won't have to keep repeating it over and over. Just go and recopy it. And when you copy it, bam, all you have to do is take out some of the images, take out the words, and replace it with something else, and then you just keep it going. But these are pages. That's what I'm trying to say. But these are pages that have already been tried and true to other funnels and to other niches. These are pages that have already been tried. So what Builderall has done is say, you know what, we're going to take those same successful pages, and we're not going to redo anything. We're just going to put a little something on here, and then put them on our website, and guess what you got? You got pages that have already been working. I know you've seen a page like, liquidating funnel before. You've seen a page like this before. With somebody, you've seen a page like this before. And all Builderall did was just, hey, we're going to do a page like that. Put it on our site and keep going. Now I can go in here and change what I want to change. I can change all of this. I can change the, enter contest. I can change this. Anything I want. Anything I want, I can do. We have seen funnels like this somewhere, and all Builderall has done was just repeat the process. They didn't reinvent the wheel, but all they did was imitate it. We have a free plus shipping funnel already pre-made for you. You don't have to do anything extra. You don't have to go across the grant. You can just use this right here and go on your way and start putting things in there. Bam, bam, bam. Change the colors. Bam, bam. It doesn't matter. You finished. Now you can just put it on there and start selling. And then when you click this, it goes straight to the checkout page where you can get their information. You can get their address, whatever, and you can upsell them. You can downsell. Just like Clickfunnels, you can upsell, downsell, whatever the case may be. And then when they exit out, bam, you got probably 2 things that are sold that quick. So again, Builderall is the same thing as Clickfunnels, but at a cheaper price. This is why I believe that. Oh yeah, and you can also start with a blank canvas as well. This is why I believe that Russell would respect Builderall, because it did exactly what Russell would do. Again, you can use a blank canvas, and everything is like a plug and play, just like Clickfunnels. You plug and play, add a button, add this, add that. And I will be going over all of that as well, but this is just why I think Russell Brunson respects Builderall, because Builderall did and is doing exactly what Russell is telling his team and his followers, millions of followers, to do. And the thing about it is, and Builderall is doing the same thing, but it's coming at a $29.90 price, pretty much $30 and $100. Clickfunnels is $100. This is a $30, and we also have a autoresponder built in. You don't have to. You can integrate it with others, with everything else like getresponse, aweber, or whatever the case may be, but you don't have to get an upsell. I know Clickfunnels, you get an upsell, you can have the built-in autoresponder, but you don't have to get upsell. Right here, it comes with it. Mail-in Boss autoresponder comes with your $29.90 a month purchase. Only thing that is upsold is a $97 one-time fee for you to become an affiliate. One-time fee of $97, and you're paying $27.90. One-time fee of $97, and then you're still paying your $29.90 per month. The one-time fee is for your commercial 2 license here, and you from the first month it's 100% commission. Then after that, it goes down to, I believe, 30% commission. On the $97, everyone who gets the second tier license, you get that commission as well. First month, you get all of that, and I think on the rest of the months, it goes down to 30 or 40%. I could be wrong. I think the second tier license, I think that's a full 100%. I'm going to correct that. I got to get more. I think I could be wrong. I'm kind of getting confused on what Clickfunnels is doing right now. But again, this is what we have going on, guys. You can also build a car. We got great Builderall Academy. And then this is what I would do. This is me personally. I still look at Russell Brunson videos and how he funnel hacks and how he do his things. But at the same time, I don't use Clickfunnels. I use Builderall. I listen to him concerning Clickfunnels and about his steps and ways of doing things. Then I come to Builderall and I implement those things. And over the next 90 days, over the next 2-3 months, I'm going to be implementing those things into this channel and showing showing you guys step by step how to do this and how to be successful in whatever business that you're in. If you have a business that you want to put out there that you want me to look into and help you with, guys, place it at the bottom and I will show you, and I will make a video about it, and I will show you how I do it step by step, whatever the case may be. And we are going to take this channel to higher heights I've never seen, and we want to take your business to higher heights that you have never seen. So we thank you, thank you, thank you. I'm thanking you that you are willing to travel with me on this long journey. Yes, I am taking a journey of 90 days of straight video. 90 days of straight video. When I feel like it, even when I don't feel like it, I'm going to do 90 straight days, and this is going to be all information concerning your business and how to do this and how to funnel hack and how to get funnels and how to make funnels and what are you looking for and what is all of this, whatever business, some of the popular business, some of the popular items that are being sold, Shopify, e-commerce, affiliate marketing, local business, whatever the case may be, we're going to touch on those things. So again, guys, thank you, and please help me out and pray for me on this long journey of 3 straight months. Hopefully it's going to go by fast. But again, guys, thank you. This is me with another short video of why I believe Russell Brunson respects Builderall. It's because Builderall is doing exactly what Russell Brunson would do, and we're giving it out at a lower price. Thank you, guys. Have a great and awesome day.